that's fine. So once you log in into the system, Talent and Careers,
okay.
you want to add quiz.
Okay.
Adding quiz is like you having the paper that you want to write the question inside.
Okay.
So, and to do that, what you have to do, the first thing you need to do is you see this top right-hand corner.
Yes.
You need to make sure that you click this one that says turn editing on.
Okay.
Right. If you leave it like this, you won't be able to see anything. So the first thing you want to do is click turn editing on.
Okay.
Right. Then from there, you scroll down, you'll now be able to add activity.
Okay.
Right. So again, once you click on turn editing on, if it's showing on green, you can turn it off, then on green, turn it on to bring it to red.
Okay.
Now, so let's say, for instance, I want to add a quiz under fractions as I mentioned. I click on the fractions tab. You now click add an activity or resource.
Okay.
So click on this. It's going to bring up this window. Then you have various activities you can add. You can add assignment, you can add a chart, you can, but for now, all what we want to do is add a quiz.
Okay.
So you click on that and click add. And it's going to bring this up. Then what you want to do is now put in the name of the quiz that you want to add. Okay. Now, so I will say, since we're trying to do something on fractions, let me look for any easy. There are a lot of resources I use where I get my questions from.
Okay.
You understand? Yeah. So which I'm also going to share with you as well. One of them is this Math Genie.
Okay.
Fractions. Yeah, but sure. Let me look for something that. Yeah, sure. Maybe something. Fraction. Sorry. No. Just give about 10 minutes. So this fraction, what is this one all about? Okay, let's do something very easy first so that it's not difficult for you to really pick up. Right. So let's say, for instance, I want to come to maybe addition of numbers, which is here.
Okay.
Right. Now I've done the first, so let me use multiplication. Okay, let me do this one again. I'll do this addition. Yeah. So this is the question. I just copy this question.
Okay.
We just work out this plus this. Right. So once you create the quiz, the first thing you want to give it a name. Of course, every quiz give a name. So I'll just say here, addition and subtraction. Yep. So scroll down. There are two settings you give once you are on this quiz page. One, the name. Number two, you scroll down. Leave all these, but the one that says question behavior.
Okay.
Right. Now, question behavior that when the students type in the answer and click check to check what they put in,
Okay.
do you want them to get the result immediately or wait till the end of the questions? At times, I give them a question on 12 questions. I want it to be immediate so that they can check, oh, this is what I'm doing wrong. How do I correct it before the next, instead of doing the entire 10 questions and so you change it to immediate feedback. So those are the only two settings here. Number one, the name. Two, question behavior. And after then, you come on to save and display. Okay. So we created a quiz. The next thing is begin to be adding the questions. Right. Let me try and make this very first. Now you scroll down on the left-hand side, you see the one that says question bank. Then you now click on questions. Right, it's going to come up with another window. To make things easier, not to lose all the questions we created, when it comes to this page, I do select this drop-down button to select default for addition and subtraction. That's a quiz we created, so that all the questions you are going to create is going to be saved under this default, addition and subtraction. If not, they'll be scattered here and there. You may be looking for them in case you want to edit them in the future.
Okay.
So it's like creating a folder, then everything you are doing is under that folder. Are you with me?
Yes.
Okay, so once you have the question bank, what you want to do is now create a question, right? Now, there are different type of questions you can create. You have the multiple choice, true or false, matching, short answer, essay, algebra, and so on and so forth. But the popular plugin I use is formulas. Right, formulas. Formulas allows me to change the numbers I'm working with so that it's not the same question that the student is asking. You get it? So it's a plugin designed for Mozo, and I'll send you the link so that you can make some more research about it. What do you do about, you put in the question name? I say question 01, the first one. I follow this pattern so that all my questions will be arranged properly later.
Okay.
Then we now come to here, variables. Just like a little bit of computer programming, that you declare your variables, that what are the numbers you'll be working with. So if I type here, there are two numbers I'm working with. Addition of two numbers. And this is a 3-digit number, and this is a 2-digit number. So you need to declare for the system that, okay, you are dealing with 2-digit number and 3-digit numbers. You now decide, do you want to add them, do you want to subtract them, do you want to multiply them, but declare the variable first. So what do I need to declare the variable? I say, you can use anything, equals. Now I do that under the random variable. I open the curly brackets, right? Now, this 3-digit number are represented by, let it be any number 111, colon, up to 999. Do you understand? So system can generate any 3-digit number within this value. You get the point. If you like, you want to make it specific as an odd number or even number. If I use this and say step 2, whatever is picked is going to be maybe 113, 115, 117 is going to go over in 2s. Do you understand? And if I want it to be even, I can put it to be 3, but it doesn't matter. So I'll leave that for the moment. Then close my curly brackets. Are you happy with that?
Yes, I am.
Next, I want to declare the second, which is 87. It's a 2-digit number. So put colon B equals, open curly bracket, 2-digit number. I use 11 to 99. Close my curly brackets. Now, you have shown this is the number that the system will work with. Are you happy so far?
Yes, I am.
Okay. Now, what do you want the student to do is to add the two numbers together. And you must declare that this is the answer the student must compare. Sorry, the system must compare the student answer with. So I just declare it under the global variable that ANS equals A plus B. That's all.
Okay.
Okay, so I now scroll down, come under the main question. Here, I don't really use this main question for anything. I just say, I can say addition and subtraction. Yep. Then scroll down. Now come under this part 1. Now under the part 1, the default mark is one answer. The answer type is number. You can have numeric algebraic formula, but leave it to numbers, but you are dealing with numbers. Yep. Okay. Answer here is what I've declared earlier here as ANS. That is what the system will compare whatever the student puts in.
Okay.
So I put in here, my answer is ANS. Now, if you are dealing with decimals, you can do something like this, that because the system at times the computer can read something with a very tiny significant and it's going to mark the student right. So, but if it's whole number, you don't really need to do it. Unit placeholder, we don't need them. Then under the unit part text, that's what we need to write. What is A plus B? So that's what the student will be seeing. Then there is something we need to do, but that'll be the next time. So once you've done all this, just click save and continue. If all your settings are correct, it's going to come up with something like this with preview. If there is an error, it will tell you there is an error. Maybe there's a syntax error in declaring variable or something, right? So then after doing that, click on to preview. Let me show you that. So this is what is going to show the students. So what is this plus this? So this is 736, is it? 736, if it's correct. You tell me that it is correct. You notice I do it a second time, it's giving me another number, not the same. Yeah, so if I put it at 7, tell me it is wrong. The last thing we need to do is now show the student how to do the addition.
Okay.
Do you understand? Yeah. Okay. So I'm going to make this brief today and just what I'm also going to do, I'm going to create a folder where I want you to work on. You can do anything within the folder so that yeah. So let's say I come here and I say, is that really what I want to do? So I'll just be like for you to test and do anything you want to do. Yeah. So let's say I have inside Sony. Okay, that's fine. So let's back this up. Fine. So once you log in, you will see this folder on your home page. That's fine. So let's have a look. So let me delete all this. Good. So once you're in, if you refresh your page now, you will see the folder returning. So make sure that your turn editing is on. You can add an activity or resource, add a quiz, just play around with it. And, we'll schedule another time. Do you think we can do the same thing again tomorrow?
It's fine. It's okay.
Okay. 3 o'clock at the same time?
Yes.
Okay. So let's make again till tomorrow. I'll just go through the corrections. Then I'll send
the link of the YouTube.
Yes. I'm going to send it as well. So let me actually stop YouTube now.